After my last post on etiquette and empathy, I wanted to share some tools with you to enhance your interpersonal skills. I mentioned that empathy is one of our most powerful tools. It's the ability to truly understand and share the feelings of others, and it's essential for building strong relationships and fostering meaningful connections. But empathy isn't just something we're born with. It's a skill that requires practice and conscious effort to develop. I want to take this opportunity to share 10 practical strategies for cultivating empathy in various scenarios. The first one is active listening. When engaging with others, focus on truly listening to what they have to say without interrupting or thinking about your response. Maintain eye contact and nod and offer verbal affirmations to show that you're genuinely interested in their perspective. The second one is put yourself in their shoes. Imagine yourself in the other person's situation. Consider their background, experiences, and emotions to understand better where they're coming from. The third one is to ask open-ended questions. Encourage others to share their thoughts and feelings by asking open-ended questions that really invite detailed responses. Please don't make judgments or jump into any sort of conclusions prematurely. The fourth is practice perspective taking. Make a conscious effort to see things from different viewpoints, even if you initially disagree with them. Challenge your assumptions and biases by seeking diverse perspectives and considering alternative interpretations. The fifth one is to validate emotions. Acknowledge and validate the emotions of others, even if you don't necessarily agree with their actions or opinions. Let them know that their feelings are valid and that you understand where they're coming from. The sixth one is to show compassion and kindness. Demonstrate compassion and kindness in your interactions with others. Offer support, encouragement, and assistance without expecting anything in return. The seventh one is to practice self-reflection. Take time to reflect on your thoughts and your feelings and behaviors. Consider how your actions may impact others and strive to become more aware of your emotions and biases. The eighth one is to practice empathetic body language. Pay attention to your body language and non-verbal cues to convey empathy and understanding. Use your facial expressions, gestures, and posture to be engaged and attentive. The ninth one is to cultivate curiosity. Approach interactions with genuine curiosity and desire to learn more about the other person. Stay open-minded and be willing to learn from their experiences and perspectives. The 10th one is to seek feedback. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from trusted friends, family members, or colleagues on how you can improve your empathetic skills. You can use their input to identify areas for growth and refinement. By incorporating these 10 strategies into our daily interactions, we can gradually enhance our ability to empathize with others and cultivate more profound, meaningful connections. So let's commit to practicing empathy every day and watch as it transforms our relationships. Remember, the key is to apply these strategies in real-life situations. Take advantage of further valuable insights. Like, share, and subscribe for more tools on how to navigate your personal and professional life with finesse. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll look at adaptability in etiquette and what it involves. Adaptability is a valuable etiquette tool that allows you to navigate diverse social landscapes gracefully, respectfully, and effectively. Together, let's build stronger, more positive connections in every aspect of our lives and the world. See you in the next one.